Breathe cleaner air in Honey Brook with professional air duct and dryer vent cleaning from E-Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning. Your air ducts can harbor dust, pet dander, and allergens, which circulate through your home and affect your family's health. Our air duct cleaning services remove these pollutants, ensuring fresher air and more efficient HVAC performance, which can help reduce energy costs. Dryer vent cleaning is crucial for maintaining a safe home. Clogged dryer vents can cause overheating and fires, as well as reduce dryer performance. Our thorough cleaning services eliminate lint and debris, keeping your home safe and appliances running effectively. Licensed and insured, we proudly serve Honey Brook with reliable service and transparent pricing. Schedule your air duct or dryer vent cleaning today on our website and enjoy a healthier, safer home.